Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi 1 starter kit. It's the 2-pack 4 power 18 volts compact fast charger kit. This is the kit that they have for the promo this year. I know it's been a little late. I already been doing a lot of tool reviews getting with this kit. So psk003, that is the product or the package number here. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool reviews like this. So please help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty simple today. We got 2 batteries and a charger. These are these are the non-HP. These are the regular black batteries. They are newer. It's a newer design, but still it's not the HP. It's not the ones that work with the brushless. These are mostly for fans and stuff like that. That's not gonna require you lights, fans, stuff like that. This special these batteries work great for that. So, and we do have a fast charger. These are, well, it's not really considered it's faster than the other one, but it's a compact charger. It says up to 3 times more runtime, special buy while supplies last. So what happens with this kit is you buy this for 99 cents or $99, and you get a free tool like the previous or 2 reviews that I done from Ryobi. All those tools I've been getting them with this kit here. So basically it comes out to $99, and I believe they're still running this deal. I believe August is going to be the last, August 3rd I believe is going to be the last day for this deal. So you guys got enough time. You guys can get a free tool, a free ratchet, a free saw. There's a lot of tools. I'll see if I can post a picture, and so you guys can get the deal. All right, let's get to this. You do get onboard gauge, so just like the newer batteries, basically a battery, a battery, 4 amp hour, and a pretty much a charger there, a fast charge, compact charger. What else we got? All right, let's unbox this. Let's get this over with. All right, so opening up the box, we got a nice packaged, wrapped. Got a battery here. Got another battery here, and then we got, obviously we got the charger here. It's kind of crumbed in there, and then we got a nice bag. Got a nice bag there, and then we got some instructions. So pretty simple, just like the one from last year. We do have the instructions here. It's for every item that's included, which is the charger, and then we got another one for the batteries. So like we put this aside. We got a nice bag here. Definitely these bags are great. The nice rubber Ryobi there emblem. These are great for tool if you want to carry your tools, your power tools. Usually have a kit that I carry on with every truck or every car, every vehicle that we have here. I just put some basic tools and just carry this bag in every vehicle just to have there for emergencies. Or you can just give this away to somebody that doesn't have any tools. This is definitely a great little bag there for the tools. All right, here we got the basic charger. As you guys see here, we got the Ryobi. It's 1 plus lithium. It's compatible with the 1 plus lithium 18 volts. So you got a green, solid green when your battery is fully charged. You got a blinking green when your battery is charging. See here from in frame here, and then you got a red and green blinking if your battery is bad, and then you got a blinking red if there's a temperature, it has to go down or has to adjust the temperature before it starts. Pretty simple. You got some mounting brackets here on the back. You got the serial number there. Let's see here. Got the model number P118B. It says 63 millimeters, 2.5 inches from here to here. Easy mountable. So all you do is just measure the 2.5 inches, put 2 different screws, and then just mount this. Pretty simple. Alright, and then here's the batteries. Here's what we came for. These batteries are great, guys, especially for this price. You know, basically for 50 bucks you get 2 4-amp-hour batteries. It does come with the gauge here, as you guys see here. It only has 1 bar. It's normal from all these batteries. So we're gonna put these to charge here, and got some nice rubber material here on the bottom. On the top you got all plastics. This is rubber. Usually they have plastic, but these have rubber. So it's a newer design, obviously. These are black. These are considered the black batteries. So if you're talking about these batteries, you can refer them as the black 4-amp-hour batteries. Here's the other one. So this one does have 1 bar too. So the difference between this and this is the kit that was these are the batteries that came in last year. These are the lithium HP. These are the batteries that you would use on your brushless tools. So these are definitely have same gauge as those. These are 3 amp hours. These are 4 amp hours. So these batteries, this is what you would use in your brushless tools. Then again, these will work on your brushless. This will work on any of these batteries, will work on any tool. But if you want to get the most out of these batteries and the most of your brushless tools, use these batteries. So I will be using these batteries on my lights, on my fans, and all that stuff. So these are definitely great for that. Works. So I got another charger here, basically. So all you do is just put it in like so, and then you start getting a blinking red, and then you start getting a blinking green. That means the battery is charging, and once it reaches the 4th light, solid 4th light, you're pretty much done with the battery charging. So we're just gonna, that one works fine, so we're gonna put the other one, see if it'll charge. Pretty simple. Alright, it's blinking red, it's identifying, now it's blinking green, so it is working. Alright guys, well thank you guys for watching, I appreciate it. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.